Look.
Ms. Williams-Law, do you have that sign that with the Connect Audio sign, or is that yeah,
Hold on. I'm sorry, Your Honor, say that again.
a copy of that sign for connecting the audio? We have a couple of people that haven't connected their audio.
You know what? I don't. I never got it from Miss Mathis.
All right, we'll get one. Morning, Trooper. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. Wait on the city attorney or the state prosecutor. On the iPhone, good morning to you. What is your name, please? I just let you in the room.
Dominique Green.
All right, good morning, Ms. Green.
Good morning.
All right, maybe we can go ahead. I need to get Ms. Mathis not show up here. Is she gonna be here? I'm gonna wait, give her a few more minutes.
Okay.
Morning, Mr. Griffin.
Good morning, Judge.
We got two very good lawyers. If anybody needs a lawyer or wants a lawyer to discuss their matter, what we're gonna do is we're gonna give you an offer. You can either accept that offer or set a trial date, and you'll have an opportunity to speak with that. I'll give you some basic information about the offer, but you'll have an opportunity to go in depth with the lawyer if you choose to. And they can explain things further to you if you need, if it's necessary. Let's get going on this, Thomas.
State of Michigan 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins presiding. There will be no smoking, eating, drinking, and or laying down on Zoom. I would ask that if you have on any hats or hoodies that you please remove them. Good morning, Judge. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
I don't know what that is.
This is, you see the order from the elementary?
Yes,
Yeah,
I
okay.
signed it.
Swift taking over, huh?
Yeah.
Wow, that's why I was circling. I couldn't find out. I was. Yeah. Well, you said it's Swift. Hi. Yes.
Ms. Lindsley, are you there, ma'am?
Okay. Okay. Morning, Attorney.
Good morning, Madam Clerk. How are you?
How are you? Good to see
Your
you.
Honor, I'm doing fine, sir.
Very good, very good.
Still hurt, but nothing to complain about compared to the little lady who she's suffering.
Yeah. Just, continue to work.
Thank you. I appreciate that very much.
Ms. Lindsley, are you there? Okay, I'm hearing a response from her.
I have another request. In the case I can get another copy so I can drop it
Scroll
off
down
to.
to Orlando Zachary.
Oh, you want to?
Yeah. I'll have to
Zachary
do a copy.
Orlando.
That's not a problem. Here, this is the first copy. I snapped it last time and then I put a seal on it.
Zachary Orlando is there.
I need a reseal, so I can take.
You
that.
want me to look up?
All right. we
Yeah,
not-
I need a reseal.
my-
they call it.
my-
Okay, hold on.
Am you hearing me?
I can come back.
Judge, there's a lot of background noise.
Well, Zachary Orlando has muted himself. You have to unmute yourself. I don't know what happened to Amanda Lindsley.
I'm here, Amanda Lindsay.
All right, Amanda Lindsley, I was trying to get your attention. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Zachary Ryan Orlando, case number SP 142-33952. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your
Oh,
Honor.
there I go,
Daphne,
there I go.
good morning, Your Honor. Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Orlando. State your name for the record, sir.
Zachary Orlando.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. Mr. Orlando, you paid a related civil infraction. You signed yourself up for 1 point on your driver's license. We're gonna dismiss this matter, all right?
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, there's nothing further. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you,
Thank
Your
you.
Honor.
I don't think I have. You guys put it on there.
So,
Sorry.
I remember just saying he's gonna hold off, take dismissal, put it on the record. It was scheduled for pre-trial, dismissal hasn't been put on the record yet, so this hearing hasn't been held yet.
We can put it on the record
Let's put it
now.
on the record and then I can date it correctly, and then it's true, okay? That's all.
You want me to pull in?
Go ahead, approach
Mhm.
Mr. Bill. All right, this is the city of Detroit. This is not on the docket today, Ms. Williams Law, but this is a case that we held a dismissal in abeyance till we got an order of dismissal. It's the city of Detroit versus Ronaldo Gomez Aguilar, case number SP 135-35451. Mr. Villarreal, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Francisco J. Villarreal, P. 34147. Appearing as counsel for Ronaldo Gomez Aguilar.
Can you hear that, Ms. Williams
I
Law?
have it. I have it, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right. We'll just call the date and time we set for a pretrial essentially. With, what I'm holding is an order of dismissal, and it's signed by, the Corporation Counsel, Assistant Corporation Counsel Schneider, and yourself, Mr. Villaroo, for dismissal of this matter with prejudice. I'm now signing this matter, and, I'll order the dismissal of this matter with prejudice.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
All right.
Okay. Thank you. Corporation Counsel for review of my documentation here. Corporation.
I'm sorry,
Very
Your Honor.
well. Can you stand over there, Mr. Villaroo? The microphone is, Ms. Williams Law can hear you a little better.
Is this the location?
Yes.
Okay.
Go ahead.
I wanted to thank the court and certainly publicly thank the Assistant Corporation Counsel for their review of the documentation I submitted on behalf of Mr. Aguilar that led to resolution of this case in the way that it did. I appreciate that.
Very well. All right, that'll conclude the matter. There's a signed copy and I believe it's been stamped and everything, so.
Thank you.
Okay, Mr. Villaroo, good to see you in person.
Thank you.
All right.
Appreciate it.
All right.
I didn't grow any over the summer.
Hurry.
I didn't grow any over the summer.
That's all right. I don't think we're all gonna be getting shorter now. It goes into we're in that phase of life. Ms. Lindsley, are you there?
Yes, sir.
All right. Let's get. Turn your camera on now.
Huh?
Turn your camera on, please.
I don't know what I'm doing.
This is 2 copies of this.
Pardon me?
I'm new at this. I don't know how to do this. Oh, you see me now?
All right. We'll figure it out.
Thank you.
Yeah, we can see you now, man.
Appreciate it.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Amanda Lindsley. Case numbers. Say that again. Give me the correct pronunciation, please.
Lindsley. Yes.
Lindsley. Case number SP 1331225, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1331244, 4 counts 1 and counts 2. It's also called 205-128-64, counts 1, 2, and 3. 205-128-651. We'll call the state of Michigan versus Amanda Lindsley, case number SX34668811. Appearance for the record, please.
Herman Griffin appearing on behalf of the defendant, P77169. Ma'am, please state your full name for the record.
Amanda Lena Lindsley.
Today was the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. Ms. Lindsley, I suspect that you do not have a valid driver's license now.
No, when I was here, I seen you last time, you said I can pay $45 and get it and go to the online driving
You
class.
have not done so yet.
Yes, I did the online driving. My appointment is for today at 11 o'clock.
Well, you're not gonna get a license because you haven't paid this reinstatement fee.
Right. You said
All right,
that's-
so that reinstatement fee needed to be paid before you set your appointment. I'm sorry, I didn't properly articulate that to you. That $45 needs to be paid. They will not give you a valid license until you pay that $45 reinstatement fee. And you're gonna have to pay that with court and wait 48 to 72 hours to get that to go to the Secretary of State and approach them for a license. You understand that, ma'am?
Yes, so I go to Secretary of State and pay $45.
No. I'm sorry to say, I'm sorry I didn't properly articulate that to you. You come down to the courthouse and pay the $45 and then wait 48 to 72 hours and then approach the Secretary of State.
Okay.
So that trip to the Secretary of State for a license I'm pretty sure you may want to cancel that and reset that until after you pay the $45 here with the court.
Okay, but I don't have an appointment for, to go pay that. My appointment is for the online driving class. You said that was $41, but it was $67. So I paid that. And then I was gonna go pay the 45. I'm glad you told me I had to come down there to pay it. 'Cause I was been in Secretary of State.
Okay, so I'm gonna give you some more time to take care of this. You have the ticket number you need to pay, correct, ma'am?
Right.
All right, so let me check and make sure that system is updated.
Morning.
All right, I have, it is updated. It says that that it's in the system that you pay the reinstatement fee up front. So come down to the courthouse. Today is gonna be a good day unless you just get a ride and drop off because there's a lot going on down here. But
Yeah.
you wait, after you come down here, wait 48 to 72 hours and then go to the Secretary of State. All right, ma'am?
Yes, okay.
We're gonna give you into, pardon me.
I can go down. I can get there today.
Very well. Then wait 48 to 72 hours and approach the Secretary of State. We're going to give you one more adjournment on this July the 25th, 2023 at 8:30. Okay, July 25th, 2023 at 8:30. I wish you the best of luck, Ms. Lindsley, on getting that driver's license, and have a very good rest of your day. If you don't have any further questions, ma'am, you're free to leave.
July 23rd at what time?
July 25th, 2023 at 8:30, same time.
30. Okay, so when I finish the online class today, just send you the certificate?
Please do that, ma'am.
Yes, okay, because my class started at 11 o'clock. Okay,
Very well.
thank you. Have a blessed day.
You have a better one, thank you.
Thank you.
Yes. I need those files.
I'll be right back.
All right. San Juan Green didn't. This is the city of Detroit versus Jasmine Dominique Santara Green, case number SP 142-51571 and SP 142-51601. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Ms. Green. State your name for the record, please.
I'm Jasmine Dominique Shatara Green.
Shatara Green, I'm sorry, ma'am. Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning to you, Judge.
Today is the date and time set for a retrial in the matter. Ms. Green, your offer is going to be competing to the amended count of blocking traffic for this disregard a red signal, and $175, and we'll close the other matter out. And that's a 0-point offense. It does not abstract to the Secretary of State. It is a civil infraction. I call it akin to an expensive parking ticket. You have an absolute right to a trial, and you can speak to Ms. Bradfield if you need to get some more information regarding it, ma'am. What would you like to do?
I'll just pay the ticket.
Pardon me?
I'll just pay the ticket.
All right. Ms. Bradfield, will you stipulate to the, on your behalf of your client, to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for the responsible?
Please so stipulate, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Please so stipulate, Your Honor.
All right, Mrs. Green, that's going to be the amended count. I'll find you responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175, ma'am. When can you pay it?
Can I pay it on the 30th?
So the 30th of this month?
Yes, sir.
I'll give you till July the 10th, 2023 to make that payment. pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that DivDat app to your phone or pay it down here at the courthouse, ma'am. Those are the two best ways that I can tell you to pay it, all right?
Okay.
There's nothing further. You have a very good day. Best of luck to you, all right?
Same to you, and happy early Father's Day if you're pop.
Thank you so much. I appreciate you, ma'am.
No problem. You have a good day.
This is the city of Detroit versus Javon James Levine. Did he stay or is he still here? I don't believe so. He's gonna set up a payment plan. I guess, I don't know what he's gonna do. Okay, let's move on to, Lawrence Jarrell.
How you doing?
Good morning to you, sir.
I'm back about that situation from when was it, Monday? About the community service.
Okay. You're not on the docket today.
No.
What's going on with the community service?
No, you said to come back. I was supposed to come back and you were gonna set that up for me in order to you gave me 12 hours. I was supposed to go do 12 hours and then you would dismiss the case.
Right, and what, did I not give you the information for the community service? What's going on with that?
Yeah, no, I didn't get that info yet. Monday you told me to come back Wednesday, but when I was in the chat Wednesday, something had happened, so I had to leave. So I made sure to come back.
Oh, so you're gonna have to come back next Wednesday then. You're gonna get set up with Southwest Detroit. What is your middle name?
Javon.
Oh, yes, I remember. You're gonna have to come back on Wednesday for the community court day.
Okay.
Yeah, you're gonna have to come back on Wednesday.
Okay,
All right.
no problem. No problem. Thank you.
All right, there's nothing further, sir. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
All right.
Excuse me, Your Honor. Sorry.
Yes. Who's that?
It's Brandon Gooch.
All right, how you doing, Mr. Gooch?
I'm good. I'm in like a little situation. Like you guys scheduled me on the same day as my daughter's graduation, and it's at 9. I was just wondering if you could see me real quick. I'm sorry for interrupting your court.
Are you downtown now?
No, it's actually her kindergarten. I'm at Flicks Elementary School.
How can I say no to the kindergarten graduation? You have valid registration and insurance?
I actually had gave the car to my brother, and I got his insurance and registration because he ended up trading it in, and I can show you it right now.
No, do you own a vehicle?
The engine went out on that car. That was my car, but I gave it to him, and I don't have a car right now, so.
That doesn't really help you too much, sir. Doesn't really help you too much. It's the city of Detroit versus Brandon Gooch, case number SP 142-52161, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Gooch. State your name for the record, sir.
Brandon Gooch.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pre-trial in the matter. Mr. Gooch, your offer is going to be pleading to the amended count of improper plates, $240 fine. You have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout. That's Spidell, so I'm sure he'll show up. $240 fine. I'm going to put you in a breakout with Ms. Bradfield and have a discussion with her, all right?
Okay.
Warrant approximately Corporal Latch, and Officer S. Warrant you all. Who?
Jarrell
Lawrence.
Lawrence.
Lawrence? No, he ain't here. He's coming back to you.
Oh, he is, okay.
Wow. 7/14, a holiday or something?
Flag Day.
Oh,
Serious. It's like really serious.
all right, Mr. Leonard, you finally got connected. Now you have to find out how to unmute yourself.
Good morning.
Learned something today, huh?
Yes.
All right. Let's see if you're on the docket today.
What's his name?
We're ready on Gooch, y'all.
Oh, David Leonard.
Yes, I have. David Leonard, Akon Leonard, Lacon Leonard Jr.
David LeCon Leonard Sr.
We're ready on Gooch, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gooch. Mr. Gooch, giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room. Counselor, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, Mr. Gooch would like to ask that this matter be set for a trial date. He's in the process of buying a new vehicle, and he's going to have it properly registered and insured by that day.
Very well. That's what you want to do, Mr. Gooch?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can we just set a pre-trial or trial? The trial.
We can set a pre-trial, Your Honor.
What about July? You'll have that taken care of by July 25th, sir?
Yes, sir.
Come back July 25th, 2023 at 8:30, all right?
Okay, sir.
All right, there's nothing further. Have a very good day, sir. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Congrats on the graduation, too.
Thank you. Thank you. I'll let her know.
All right. You're free to leave. This is the city of Detroit versus David LeCon Leonard, case number SP, the other one.
Oh, this one.
SP 1423851. Appearance for the record, please.
Herman Griffin appearing on behalf of the defendant, 277169. Please state your full name for the record.
David LeCon Leonard.
Mr. Leonard, do you have valid insurance?
No, I don't, but I did at the time. I did.
Can you prove that?
Actually, I was just looking through my paperwork because the car broke down. Now I was just looking for the paperwork, but I really can't. So I think, I'm better off paying the fine.
Well, before you say that, maybe you want to talk to a lawyer and see if you're better off or not.
Oh, I would love to.
All right. If you just want to pay, I can get you to pay.
Oh, no. I really can't afford it, but
Mike, you may have to pay at the end of the day, but I wouldn't necessarily go out that easy. Go speak to Mr. Griffin in the breakout room. He has an absolute right to a trial. We can give him that, or he can give some insurance and bring it in.
Okay.
Judge, what's the offer?
Improper plate.
And it's just one
plate, $240 fine, dismiss upon payment.
Okay, thank you, Judge. I'll the breakout room now. Mr. Leonard, please stay in the breakout room.
Okay, thank you.
The cylinder on the desk back there, it's in a box. I see it.
Cylinder?
Yeah.
All right, Mr., you gotta take care of your business, on mute, Mr. Did he leave? Yeah. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Matthew Michael Orgel, case number SP 1425462, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1425471. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Orgel. Please state your full name for the record. Please unmute and state your full name for the record.
Matthew Michael Orgo.
Good morning to you, sir.
I told him not to get. I don't
Good morning,
know.
Judge.
Today, date and time set for a pre-trial. Your offer is going to be pleading to the amended count of blocking traffic. $175 will dismiss the other 2 counts. That's a 0-point offense. It does not abstract to the Secretary of State, and therefore it doesn't carry any points. You have an absolute right to a trial. What would you like to do, sir?
Take the offer, please.
Okay. Will you stipulate on behalf of your client to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea, counselor?
Please so stipulate, Your Honor.
And will you stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter?
Please so stipulate, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna find you responsible, Mr. Orgo, for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175. When can you pay it?
Can we do July 7th?
I'll do better than that. I'll give you till July the 10th.
All right.
All right. If it's nothing further, pay it at any DivDac kiosk in the city of Detroit, or come down to the courthouse and pay it. I'm told you can upload that DivDac app to your phone, sir. There's nothing further. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Nothing further. You're too, Judge.
Thank you. Thank you. Good morning, Trooper. Put you in a breakout room. Mrs. Dominique Priest Green, you there? Dominique Caprice Green, you there?
Unmute if you're there.
Turn your camera on and unmute yourself, please. Good morning, Corporal Baker.
Good morning, Your Honor. I have another courtroom I need to check into.
Very well, I'll check in.
I have to check into Garrett courtroom.
No, very well. Go ahead and I got you checked in.
Okay, no problem, sir.
Have a good. I'll see you soon.
Okay.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Is that how you doing? Let me get Ms. Dominique Green. You have to.
Yeah, I'm here.
Unmute yourself, ma'am. This is the city of Detroit versus Dominique Caprice Green, case numbers SP 144-46201. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Ms. Green. State your name for the record, please.
Dominique Caprice Green.
All right. Today is the date and time to set for a pre-trial in the matter. Ms. Green, it's also called 13-587-0071 into the record. Ms. Green, do you have a valid driver's license, ma'am?
No.
All right, offer's gonna be failure to display, $240 fine. or she has an absolute right to a trial. She owes $265 on an old ticket. Ms. Green, did I give you an opportunity to go get a valid license?
Yes, you told me to try to get a better license, but I did everything I could do. They told me it's still nothing I could do to August 1st, 2023.
So August 2023.
Yes, August 1st,
This
2023.
is likely gonna push her back further.
It will.
Well, talk to August 1st. If she sets a trial date, the next trial date I have is August 17th. She can possibly have a valid license by then.
Yes.
So I'll set it for a trial, August 17th, 2023, 9 a.m. All right, ma'am?
Yes.
Come back August 17th, 2023 at 9 a.m. So, brother, very good day. Good luck.
Okay,
to
thank
all
you.
Thank you.
Okay.
All right, Bria. Gant, Ms. Gant, are you there? All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. David Leonard. Mr. Leonard, giving you an opportunity. Yeah, that's fine. I'm giving you an opportunity to speak with Mr. Griffin in the breakout room. What does your client want to do, Mr. Griffin?
Your Honor, he wants to avail himself of the recommendation of amending the charge to improper plates. He just asked the court for sentencing to give him 30 days to pay if the court will allow.
He doesn't want to try to see if he can do better. Do you have a vehicle, Mr. Leonard?
He has a vehicle, Judge, but
I don't understand. I guess I kind of don't understand how I'm trying to give you an opportunity to bring some insurance in. You want to pay this $240 towards some insurance, or you want to pay this $240 to the court?
I'd rather pay it towards the insurance, but I mean I can pay it. I want to pay it towards the court. It's just because like I have a lapse of be having a lot of lapse of payment.
All right. Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you put your hand down, sir. Now, Lord, do we have this file? All right, let's see if he wants to take
get a ticket from the court.
That's all right. If he wants to take the plea, I'll just go by the ROA. All right. Sir, you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines.
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial.
Yes.
You understand by taking this offer, Mr. Griffin went over here for advice and rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
No questions about them? You understand you're going to be giving up those rights once you take this deal?
Yes.
Does anybody offer you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right, so let me draw your attention back to January 19, 2023 at around 10:51 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Nevada and Elmira. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Did that officer ask you to produce valid insurance for that vehicle?
Well, he when he pulled me up, he just told me I didn't have it. That's what he told me. He didn't ask me for it. He just told me I didn't have it.
Okay, well, you are operating a motor vehicle without valid insurance. Is that correct?
Yes.
All right. You satisfied, Counselor?
Satisfied, Judge.
All right, I'm satisfied. I'm gonna find your client guilty of the amended count of improper plates. I'm gonna fine him $240, dismiss upon payment. You want 30 days. I'm gonna set a review date, come back on July the 10th, 2023 at 8:25, all right?
Yes.
Pay at any Div kiosk in the city of Detroit or pay it down here at the courthouse. I told you can upload that Div app to your phone, sir. If there's nothing further, you have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. City of Miss Gant, are you there? All right, Miss Gant cannot, for some reason, cannot talk. Her audio is not working. I don't know how that is. It seems like she's unmuted. So until she gets it together on her end, we're gonna move on. She's mouthing something. I don't know what she's saying.
She's saying it's not her phone.
It's not her phone, it's my phone. Okay, well, I don't know what's going on, Ms. Gann, on this end.
Maybe if she could log off and log back in, maybe her audio.
Maybe she's irate. I think maybe if she presses unmute or something, or turns her volume up, or I don't know, but it's not on this end. Okay, let's go with Mr. Franklin Grace. Good morning to you, sir. You have a number of officers that we're going to give an opportunity to check in. So your trial is set at 9. We give the officers a half-hour grace period. So if they don't check in by 9, we do have one officer, Croxton, is here. If the other ones do not check in by 9:30, we'll call the case and get you an offer, all right?
I'm here, Judge. Officer Love, or Sergeant Love.
Oh, you're on. Oh, how you doing? Okay. Yeah, I didn't know that was, you're here on who? Okay, very well. I have you checked
Franklin
in.
Grace.
Very well. All right. I'll put you in a breakout room, wait on the city attorney. Okay, Mr. San Juan Green, you got connected. We can call your case, because I've been waiting on you. Unmute yourself, please, sir. This is the city of Detroit versus San Juan Green. Case numbers SP 1425403, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, he's not connected.
Excuse me, sir. Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can now.
I was trying to tell you that I don't know what's going on, but my phone was unmuted. I couldn't talk. I don't know why. But I have an interview at 10, so I was trying to see, can you get me out the way real fast?
Yeah, I'll get you out the way in a minute. Mr. San Juan Green, can you unmute yourself, please? Go over to the left. The audio button has got to unmute. You hit the audio button.
Your Honor, he's not connected to audio, so he won't be able to hear you.
It seems like he's not connected. Okay, let's pass the matter. City of Detroit. This is Bria Monique Gant. case number SP 120928771, SP 1209731, SP 127877772, SP 1380627, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1423757, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1461748. SP 1461750. Appearance for the record, please.
Herman Griffin appearing on behalf of the defendant, P77169. Ma'am, state your full name for the record.
Maria Monique Gant.
All right, today is the day and time set for a pretrial in the matter. Let's see what Ms. Gant agreed to do. What did we do last time, Ms. Gant?
I went and paid the $90 like you told to me, and you told me to call the other cities or whatever. I called the other 2 cities, and I owe both cities $675. So they also put me on a payment plan because they seen I was on I had something to take care of with you. So the judge gave me time to pay her at $675, and I told her that I have a set time to pay stuff off with you guys too, also. And to get my license back, you told me I should have my license back by June 9th. I don't have them back yet because I'm paying off all these tickets and I'm doing everything on my own. I lost my job 2 days ago. I have an interview at 10. So basically, I'm trying to work through it. Each check I get or money I touch, I'm trying to pay everything off.
All right, we'll set a trial date in the matter. That'll give you until August 17th, ma'am.
Okay.
At 9 a.m. Good luck to you on that job today.
Thank you so much.
All right, August 17th, 2023, 9 a.m. trial.
Okay.
I'll put Cedric Lewis out of the room. He's smoking a cigarette. All right, let's move down to Erica Garza.
Do you still want me to stay on, sir, or I can leave?
No, you go get your job.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Erica Garza here.
Yeah, I'm here.
Morning to you, ma'am. Is there a hyphenated name here or something?
Yeah, Garza hyphenated Jimenez.
Okay. City of Detroit versus Erica Garza Jimenez, case number S, state of Michigan versus Eric Garza Jimenez, case number SX 3989159, counts 1. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradford on behalf of Ms. Garza Jimenez. Full name for the record, please.
Erica Garza Jimenez.
For purposes of arraignment, she stand muted away from her readings, Your Honor.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on her behalf. We'll give her a $0 bond. Ms. Garza Jimenez, you had a related civil infraction. This is a improper license. We'll dismiss the case for paying a related civil infraction.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a very good day, ma'am. Best of luck to you.
Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day, sir.
Thank you. Francesca.
Good morning, Francesca Griffin here.
Francesca Griffin, I'm sorry. Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
City of Detroit versus Francesca Griffin. Case number SP 13371 881 and SP 13365 Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Herman Griffin appearing on behalf of the defendant, P77169. Ma'am, take your full name for the record.
Francesca Griffin.
All right, today is the date and time set for show cause in the matter. Ms. Griffin, go ahead. Mr. Griffin, go ahead.
Your Honor, we will ask the court, the defendant is present. We ask the court to remove warrants, cancel the show cause. And if it needs to be arraigned, my client waives formal reading and stands mute to the charges, Your Honor.
We're not guilty. We're not guilty pleading your client. You have give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Griffin, you will close out. We'll close out the SP 13365 Seems like she's paid that matter. So we'll close that out. You still owe for the blocking traffic, ma'am. That was never paid. You entered into that agreement on that date as well. It was $175. Now the penalty has gone up to another $35 for the late. What's going on with the money, ma'am?
Just financially trying to get it together. And I was able to pay the one ticket. I'll be able to finish off paying the other ticket by August. Or end of July. Just going based off my paychecks.
Mr. Griffin.
I'm thinking about something.
All right, so you need more time to pay, correct?
Yes.
Your Honor,
Yes.
would you be eligible to just enter into a payment plan with the court? Not the court, I'm saying the, with the court downstairs?
She could. I'm gonna go ahead and give her the time. She made payment on the other one. I have no doubt that she's gonna keep her word and pay this one. August the 10th, ma'am, 2023. I'm gonna waive late fee.
Thank you.
get you back to the original 175, all right?
Thank you so much.
Have a great day. Good luck to you, man.
You too. Thank you. I can leave. I'm all
You
set.
can
Thank you.
Yes. Tyree Gregory, we have a few more minutes before we call your case. T Love. That's the officer. Mark, Lesson. There we go.
Yes,
All right.
yes, sir.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
You call the file, then print the ticket.
Lesson, what are you here for, Mr. Lesson?
Here for the $240 you were telling me to pay for the ticket, not for the ticket, for the court fee, and I paid that this morning.
All right.
Yeah, you telling me to come back today?
All right, I'm gonna dismiss the case. I see City of Detroit versus Mark Lesson, case number SP 138-41202. Mr. Lesson, take your name for the record, please.
I'm Mark listening.
Lesson, all right, I'm gonna dismiss the case, sir. You paid, all right? There's nothing further. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you, okay?
You too, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Officer Brown, good morning to you. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. You have one more minute. Officer Nickel Douglas, put you in the breakout room as well. There's Miss, good morning, Miss Snyder. You have a bunch of officers in the breakout room. Okay, let me call the state attorney. That gets me down to Gooden. Okay, you're set for trial as well. And I have some officers, so Gooden, Franklin, Oliver, And I think we can get Gregory out of here. City of Detroit versus C. Tyree, look, he's got his nice tie on and everything. I appreciate that, sir. City of Detroit versus Tyree David Gregory. Case number SP 140247881. Appearance for the record, please.
I'm here right here.
Herman Griffin appearing on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
All right. Good morning, Mr. Gregory. State your name for the record, please.
Yeah, Tyree Gregory.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a trial in the matter. Do we have Officer Deshaun Perry? Deshaun Perry. I have not seen that officer join the room. It is now past the time. You want to make a motion, Counselor?
Yes, Your Honor. We would motion the court for dismissal for the complaining witness failure to appear on today, Your Honor.
All right. I'm going to dismiss the case, Mr. Gregory, for no complaining witness. All right.
Oh yeah. Oh
All
yeah.
right. There's nothing further, sir. Have a very good day. Good luck to you.
There you go. Go.
Thank you. Can you put that thing up for Mr. Green up there, please? Mr. Dillard, good morning to you. Oh, that's Mr. Oliver with the tie on. I'm sorry, Mr. Oliver.
Oh, yeah.
Look at tie. All right. I didn't mean to mix. All right. Mr. Dillard, are you there? Can you unmute yourself, please? All right, so we're waiting on the offers to come in for everybody else. Mr. Can you put that sign up for Mr.
21.
Phone number. Tell them to call in. San Juan Green. As for Mr. Green, he doesn't know how to connect the audio. All right, you can check it down. Call him now. Oh. Maybe you might want to put it back up.
Yeah, I don't think he got all the numbers.
He knows how to chat. Oh, he doesn't know how to chat. All right, he's calling. Okay, Ms. Snyder, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
We have Franklin Grace Ella Gooden, and Gregory Oliver.
Grace, Gooden, and Oliver. Grace is going to be a dismissal, Your Honor.
All right, let's
And
get
Oliver
Franklin.
needs the state. We need the state for 2 matters.
Yeah, I called the state. I don't.
Yes. Judge, we see you on Zoom, but you don't have. So, try to. Connect. A lot of times it's hard to connect to the. Well, it'll give you an option to connect to the internet, so Wi-Fi, you need to select that. It's like, you won't get additional charge. But if you don't do that, the court can't hear it. And you can't hear the court, so we can't do the receipts. So just do that, select that option, connect, and then the judge can be able to communicate. Okay? Okay, you're welcome. If you need any more help, just call this number. Okay? All right.
City of Detroit versus Franklin Ezel Grace, case number SP. Love, they both left. All right. SP 1008406 counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1072385 counts 1 and counts 2. SP 9832291, SP 119578 counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1219035 counts 1, 2 and counts 2. SP 1249746 3, 16282789 16287278 17395471 17393627 counts 1 and counts 2 and 1843049991. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Grace. State your full name for the record, sir. Mr. Grace?
Franklin, can you hear me?
It's spotty. It's spotty. Can you repeat it?
Franklin Ezel Grace III.
Thank you.
What's your date of birth, sir?
10/10/92.
All right. I did see Officer T. Love check in here. And Corporal Croxton here. I believe both of those officers had no recollection. And doesn't appear any of the other officers here. Let's go through them. SP 1008406 counts 1 and counts 2 were written by Jason Tonti. And he hasn't appeared.
We move to dismiss, Your Honor.
Very well, I'll dismiss those cases. SP 1 072385 counts 1 and counts 2. Those officers were written by Thomas Love. He appeared. He's the one that mentioned he had no recollection.
We move to dismiss, Your Honor.
Okay. SP 983291. That ticket was written by Officer Ali Masui. I do not have him in the room.
We move to dismiss, Your Honor.
That's no officer. SP 119577. Counts 1 and counts 2 by Jason Tanti. Smith, same motion.
Thank you, Your Honor.
No officer. Let's see. SP 121. 261. Wait a minute, that was not on the document. Wait a minute. No, that was not on the document. So we'll scratch that.
Remember you calling that one out.
SP 1219035. Counts 1 and counts 2.
You're over. I'm gonna sign that one. Am I over?
Next time I'm at the top, right.
Those tickets were written by Corporal Croxton. We'll dismiss those with no recollection.
Good morning. Good morning.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I did, I waited.
Are you speaking to the GD? Speaking to comments?
SP 124974. 63. Written by Hernandez. That officer hasn't appeared.
We move to dismiss, Your Honor.
Very well. $16,282,789. 1 COLLRIN 16,287,271. Sumter 17,393,5,4,7,1. Quinones 17,393,627, counts 1 and counts 2. Okay. All right, those officers have not appeared.
We move to dismiss, Your Honor. And did you call Officer Tyus' ticket?
18,430,4991. No officer for all these matters.
We move to dismiss, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, I'll conclude it. You still owe the court some money, sir. And I'm gonna waive the warrant fees on these. You'll pay the reinstatement fees and you owe money for old civil infractions you never paid, all right, sir?
I'm here. He told me that I owe anything that I don't take the biggest driver's class.
I didn't say that. Last time you were here, I didn't say that. I didn't say that. You owe the money, you're gonna have to go online and check when the system gets updated, all right? These were matters that go all the way back to 2016, 17, you haven't paid.
Yeah, then I just went to 36 district court and I had a printout of everything and I paid for everything right at once.
Okay. There's nothing further, sir. Have a very good day. Good luck to you, all right?
Quick question.
Yes.
You told me to take the better driver's class. You told me to it would knock off 4 of my points.
Those points, let's see.
You told me to come back and show my proof of registration and insurance.
Since your cases were dismissed, let's see what that 4-point ticket says. All right, dismiss that SP 121900261. That was supposed to go along with Roxanne's ticket, no recollection. So that takes care of that. Now, what else were you saying, sir?
You told me to go back and go on the website and see how much I owe.
Yeah, so you have a $204 for an old speeding ticket. You have $180 for an old improper display of plate ticket. I dismissed the speeding, the excessive speeding ticket. You owe $192 for driving too fast, an old ticket. And then you're gonna owe a host of reinstatement fee, $45 reinstatement fees. So you go online and look at that updated list, all right?
All right, I just don't understand if I went down to the Secretary of State, to 36 District Court and had them put up all my tickets at once, and I paid $3,000 for everything, then you're telling me there's more tickets. It doesn't make sense.
10/10/1992. I don't know. You got so many. These Franklin Grace, the regular Franklin Grace III, Franklin Grace Jr. There's a lot of you guys. I don't know if you paid somebody else's, one of your other siblings, or your parents, or whatever ticket. I don't know.
I don't understand how that would work. I don't understand how that would work either. If I'm giving them my ID to look up more information.
I don't know, sir. I'm just giving you the information. You're gonna have to take your receipts down to the court and then and do the work to figure out what you paid. All right.
All right.
All right, there's nothing further. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
You too.
Thank you. All right, Miss APA Cole, good morning. You have some troopers in there. I don't know if anybody showed up.
On Mr. Oliver, I have Al Kafaji on Mr. Oliver's case. Who would be the House counsel handling that? If they could join me with Trooper Al Kafaji on Gregory Oliver's case. Would that be Attorney Brad?
I'll put in Attorney Bradfield.
Thank you.
And who else would you like to speak with? Let's see.
I would like to speak to Mr. Oliver before I speak to the officer, before I speak to the trooper.
You want to speak to APA Cole first? Or you want to speak to
I would like to speak to my client first.
All right. Join the room, Mr. Gregory Oliver.
Okay.
Let's get Mr. Green has finally got his audio connected. Let's go back on the record with Mr. San Juan Green. Case numbers, the city of Detroit versus San Juan Green, case number SP 1425403, counts 1, 2, and 3. Put your appearance on the record, please, Counselor.
Yes, Your Honor. Herman Griffin appearing on behalf of the defendant. Sir, please state your full name for the record.
San Juan Green.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. He's got a driver while license revoked. I'm sure the implication for the offer is going to be pleading to the failure to display. It's a $240 fine, sir, but I'm sure that that's going to have a negative impact on your driver while license revoked. You have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Attorney Griffin. You can discuss the matter with him, all right?
Okay.
Your Honor, there are 2 other tickets.
Those are going to be dismissed if he takes the failure to display.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. So,
All
Mr.
right.
Green, please join the breakout room.
Your Honor, I think I was in the wrong, I was in 2 and I didn't see.
Actually, you weren't. I put you in there. I'm going to put the troopers in there. You can discuss, wait a minute, I have the troopers in the wrong room.
I need Al Kafaji on that one.
All right,
Thank
join
you.
the room to speak with the troopers. They wanted to speak with Miss Bradfield wanted to speak with her client first.
Oh, I understand. Thank you.
And Your Honor, if I could go into a breakout room with Ms. Cole.
Your Honor,
Give
did
them
we
a couple more minutes, just like 10 o'clock, and we can release them.
Perfect.
Go ahead, Ms. Snyder.
That was going to be my question about the Miss O'Brien and Mr. or Miss Weiss.
Yeah, we'll try. Sometimes they don't have the proper device, and sometimes they don't know or whatever. I have Gooden here. Gooden has just a failure to display.
Yes, Your Honor.
And then how many? One, two, three, four, five make the docket. What about these other old? Oh, I think you've already entered into agreements on those cases. That's 2015. That's good. You owe $672 on it. Okay, these are all old cases that you owe money on. All right, we'll get you out of here as soon as the lawyer gets back. The offer is going to be a failure to display, Ms. Gooden. That's going to be a $240 fine. It is a misdemeanor, and it is going to abstract to the Secretary of State, and it's going to potentially give you at least another 30-day suspension at least. There is a date and time set for trial, and I believe the officers are here. So I'm going to get you an opportunity to speak with the lawyer as well, ma'am.
Okay.
So just give me a minute. Only Douglas showed up. He had 2 cases, one improper license and obstructed vision. Curtis did not show up. Davenport did not show up.
Have we had Edwin Graham check in, Your Honor?
No, I think the people that we have are here.
Perfect. I'm telling the officers to break themselves out at 10 and just make sure that they haven't checked in.
All right. Yeah, I got them all checked in. I checked the boxes that we showed to them.
Perfect.
Going on there. Mr. Diller.
Your Honor, did Cedric Leonard appear today? I don't recall.
Cedric Leonard did not appear. I have a Cedric Lewis that appeared. He's the one that was smoking. I put him out.
Okay, let me let.
He's on a review anyway.
Okay, I think there's a trooper here for him. So
Oh, they can leave at 10 o'clock.
Okay.
All right, are we back on Mr. Green?
Yes, how you doing?
We are back, Judge.
Let me, let's, Ms. Bradford, are you ready?
I will speak to Mr. Oliver.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Green. Mr. Green, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Judge, my client indicated to me that he wants to accept the recommendation that he'll be pleading guilty to the amended charge of failure to display, with the balance, the 2 other civil infractions being dismissed.
You want to do, Mr. Green?
Yes, sir.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
I do.
All right. You went over the implications of his license on that driver's license revoked, counselor, so he knows?
Yes, Judge. He's been denied before. And so he understands what the possible penalties for this offense.
Still want to go through with the deal, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
How long has it been since you had a valid license?
Maybe 10 years now.
So I'll set you back again. I don't know any other solution on necessarily take it to trial and see if corporal rule shows, but all right, we'll give you the deal. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, I do.
Mr. Griffin in the breakout room went over you some of your advice or rights, did he not?
Yes, he did.
You understood those rights?
Yes, I did.
Any question about those rights?
No, Your Honor.
You understand by taking this offer, you're going to give up those rights?
Yes, I do.
Anybody offer you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
We draw your attention back to January 20th, 2023, at around 12 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Plymouth and Longacre Street, sir. You have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Did that officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes, he did.
You did?
Yes, sir.
And he couldn't do so, could you?
No, sir.
All right, why is that?
Because my license is revoked.
Very well, I'm gonna find your client guilty of the amended count of failure to display, $240 fine, dismiss the other two matters with stipulation of probable cause.
Stipulates probable cause, Your Honor.
All right, 240, Mr. Green, when can you pay it?
Could you allow me 3 weeks?
I'll do a little better than that. I'll give you 30 days like I gave everyone else, 2023. Pay by July the 10th, all right, 2023. If there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
All right, appreciate you. Have a good day.
You as well.
All right.
What happened to Oliver? Oh, he's in the breakout room. And then
Yes.
we have Gooden that has an offer of failure to display, I believe. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room, failure to display, dismiss the other 4 cases, 3 of them for no officer, basically a 1-for-1 essentially. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. It's a $240 fine. Expect at least a 30-day suspension on the driver's license once you take this plea, possibly more. Join the room, speak with your lawyer, read her advice or rights if she wants to take the deal. If not, we'll get ready for a trial.
Yes, Judge. So it's 1-for-1, failure to display, dismiss the first one, and then the other cases are being dismissed for no officer.
Basically, yes.
Okay. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Your officers can leave the ones that don't have a case here. Snyder.
You guys are good to log off.
I
See you
think
later.
you didn't go into the room.
Oh, I was telling these two out here.
Oh,
Yep.
okay, very good.
Yeah.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Bye.
All right, come on, be safe out there.
Thank you, Anna.
I don't know what Attorney Dillard is doing in here. No. I'm just gonna,
Okay. All right. Wasn't that random, somebody else. About to print anybody else, Judge?
what happened to,
My client is ready to take the recommendation when the court is, Your Honor.
what happened to the truth? All right, let's go call the cases. This is the city of Detroit versus Ella Nicole Gooden. Case numbers 207-066941, 227-442-081, 227-442-071, 237-525-801, 237-525-8011. Appearance for the record, please.
Irwin Griffin appearing on behalf of the defendant, P77169. State your full name for the record.
Ella Nicole Gooden.
All right, NPO Douglas, good
NPO
morning.
Douglas Nichols.
Very well, good morning to you. Here's Detroit Police badge number, please.
1784.
There we go. All right, today is the date and time set for a trial. I understood you want to take the deal, ma'am.
Yes.
Failure to display. $240. Okay, can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Can you put your hand down? Ma'am, you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
You understand by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right?
Yes.
Mr. Griffin went over the other rights and rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
You have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know you'll be giving up those rights when you take this deal?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Okay. Draw your attention back to March the 11th, 2022 at around 2:11 p.m. in the city of Detroit. You're driving Lumpkin. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
That officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes.
You could not do so, could you, ma'am?
No.
Why is that?
They are suspended.
Very well. I'm gonna find your client guilty of the amended count of failure to display, $240 fine. Stipulation of probable cause. I'll dismiss the other matter related to this per the plea.
Client so stipulates, Your Honor.
And for 207-066941, 237-525-801, 237-525-8011. Is there an Officer Curtis and an Officer Davenport? Hearing no response, want to make a motion on those, Councilman?
Yes, Your Honor, we add motion to court for dismissal for the complaining witnesses failure to appear.
Very well, I'll grant that. $240, ma'am, when can you pay it?
In about 2 weeks.
2 weeks. This is June the 23rd, 2023. You think you can have it paid by then?
Yes.
All right, if there's nothing further, ma'am, pay it by then, and $240 fine. I'll waive the warrant cost. You'll be responsible to pay any reinstatement fees. If it's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, all right?
Thank you. You as well.
Thanks. What's gonna go on? All right, MPO Douglas, good to see you. Have a very good day. Be safe out there, all right?
You too, Judge. Have a good weekend, everybody.
You too. All right, what's gonna go on with Mr. Oliver, Ms. Bradfield?
Your Honor, there is an offer. The offer is if he was to plead to driving while license not valid, it'll be reduced down to no operator license on person. The civil infraction for the accident will be reduced down to blockading traffic, and the no proof of insurance will be dismissed. Two things that we are asking. One, that he be able to do a no contest plea for civil liability. And also, if we could adjourn his matter for him to take a plea at a later date. Mr. Oliver, I think, has to pay off a ticket and a reinstatement fee in order to get his license back. And I don't want him bringing a license back in order to get this matter dismissed, but in order, because he is accepting this plea. However, I don't want when he take this plea for it to have a negative impact on his driving status. So if he could bring a license in before he takes this plea.
Where's APA Cole? She's gone. And what happened to the trooper?
The trooper has to go to a meeting. Ms. Cole has his number just in case we were going to trial today.
So for the troopers' cases, you have a failure to display.
No, it's no op. It's no op.
I think that's the same.
Yes, it is.
Have the same effect.
Yeah, so that's why I'm asking for him to pay his ticket and reinstatement fee so he could bring a license in. Not, like I say, not to get it dismissed, but because he is agreeing on that plea for today for purpose of this date. And Miss Cole was firm on the offer.
You wouldn't give an allowance?
No, she wouldn't even give failure to display. She's very firm on this.
I'm going to see what the difference between no ops and a failure to display, from my understanding, is exactly the same.
Because I tried in the down further, but she was very
talk
firm.
to her about allowing him some time to get his license first?
I did not. I can call her to see. That came about after I spoke with him in regards to the offer, and that's what he told me about his license.
Okay, call her and find out if she has any objection to that. And then I'm gonna look up what a no operator's license on person will be.
Okay.
And Judge, I think sometimes is how it's written, it can be 2 points for the no ops, 0 points for the failure to display, but it depends on how the code is used. So sometimes it can be the exact same, but sometimes I've seen it where it comes up as 2 points instead of the 0.
Well, I know Ms. Bradfield's gonna ask for the no ops without the points.
Of course.
I just know she's gonna do that. Okay, what?
Your Honor, I'm on the phone with APA Cole. She want to know, she's fine with it, but she just want to know, do you need her to zoom in to say it?
No, I don't need her.
He said, no, that's fine.
Okay, yeah, I was worried about that too. Okay, thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, she's fine with that, Your Honor. To give him time to get that license.
All right, so the offer is going to be, let's deal with some of the cases that weren't on the dock.
Okay.
That were on the docket that weren't adjudicated. It's called the City of Detroit versus Gregory Oliver Jr. Case number is SP 122-15941. SP 1377893-1. SP 1403056. Counts 1 and count 2. State of Michigan versus Gregory Oliver Jr. Case number SX 4147471. Counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Oliver. State your name for the record, sir.
Gregory Oliver Jr.
Why wasn't this matter here at the trial? We're going to set a formal hearing. SP 1377893-1. As for SP 122-15941, is there Officer Campbell Hearing no response.
Motion to dismiss, Your Honor.
Very well, I'll dismiss that. SP 140-3056 counts 1 and counts 2. Those were set for Officer Amber Pope. Officer Amber Pope. Not here. I did have a trooper show up.
In regards to Officer Pope, we move to dismiss, Your Honor.
I'll grant those motions to dismiss for no officer. For SP 1377893 that should have been set for formal hearing today.
What is that charge, Your Honor?
That charge is the marijuana under 21. It was a civil infraction that went into default. And we'll set that for a formal hearing.
Is there a reinstatement fee attached to that, Your Honor?
No, it doesn't appear to be. We're going to have you back on August 18th, 2023. And on these matters, we're going to give you a pretrial on the same date, August 18th, 2023.
You said August 18th?
August 18th, 9 a.m. for the formal hearing. Come at 8:30. 8:30 for the other. We can just put 8:30 for both. It says formal hearing, pre-trial, and the offer was a no ops, blocking,
And dismissal of the no proof. Yes, Your Honor.
no. All right.
And no contest plea for possible civil liability.
All right. We'll have you back. Formal hearing / pretrial on August the 18th, 2023 at 8:30. All right, sir? So you got your homework cut out for you. Go ahead. You have a question?
Yes. I was understood that I wasn't me taking the better driver's course wouldn't help in this case. I was seeing with me taking that course help with anything to do with my driver record, even though.
Did you take the course?
Yeah, no, I never took the course.
Well, why don't you take the course anyway? It can't hurt. And give Miss Bradfield some more artillery if she's here or whoever else is here for you. And okay. It can't hurt for you to take the course either, sir. It's a very good course. You're a young man. You got a lot of driving ahead of you, hopefully, and you want to be on the right side of the law.
Okay.
All right. So you got the opportunity to take it. Submit the certificate to me, and then we'll have you back. Okay.
And find out what's keeping you from your license. Take care of those matters and bring a valid license next court date. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a good day, sir. Good luck to you.
All right. You too.
Thank you. All right, I think Matt does it. All right.
Perfect.
It's good. Perfect.
I'm on a half day today, so this is awesome.
Everybody go get their Taylor Swift on now.
Oh, yep. Mm-hmm. I was at the truck yesterday. I got some sweatshirts.
Yeah, you got about 20,000 or 1,500 or something.
Yeah, we keep looking out the window, and there's just packs of girls in glitter.
I bet it is. I bet it is.
Oh yeah, very fun.
If you can bring all of those people down to one place at one time to hear you, you earned every dime of the money they're paying you, right?
Yeah. Oh yeah. It's Taylor Nation.
Taylor Nation. All right, everyone.